History of Criminology: How the Study of Crime Began. Have you ever wondered why people study crime? Why do some individuals break the law while others follow it? Is crime something people are born with, or is it something society creates? These questions are exactly what led to the birth of criminology. But criminology did not appear overnight. It developed slowly as societies tried to understand why crime happens and how it can be controlled. Long before criminology became a formal field of study, people were already thinking about crime. In ancient times, many societies believed crime happened because of evil spirits, moral weakness, or punishment from the gods. Crime was seen mainly as a moral or religious problem, not something to be studied scientifically. However, as societies grew more complex, people began asking deeper questions. Instead of simply punishing criminals, some thinkers began asking, why do crimes occur in the first place? Are criminals born, or are they made by their environment? Can crime be prevented? These questions slowly led to the development of criminology. One of the earliest thinkers who helped shape modern ideas about crime was the Italian philosopher Cesare Beccaria in the 18th century. In 1764, he wrote a famous book called On Crimes and Punishments. In this book, Beccaria argued that laws should be fair, clear, and designed to prevent crime rather than simply punish people harshly. His ideas challenged many cruel punishments that existed at the time and helped start a new way of thinking about crime. Later, another Italian scholar named Cesare Lombroso introduced a very different idea. Lombroso believed criminals might be born with certain biological traits that make them more likely to commit crime. Although many of his ideas were later criticized, his work helped push the study of crime towards scientific research. This period marked the beginning of criminology as an academic field. By the 19th and 20th centuries, universities around the world began studying crime through different perspectives: psychology, sociology, biology, and law. Scholars started examining how poverty, family background, education, social inequality, and environment could influence criminal behavior. In other words, crime was no longer seen as just an individual problem. It became something connected to society, culture, and human behavior. Today, criminology studies many important questions, such as why do people commit crimes? Why do crime rates rise or fall in certain places? How do police and justice systems respond to crime? And most importantly, how can crime be prevented? Criminology now includes several areas of study, including criminal behavior, law enforcement, crime prevention, victim studies, and criminal justice systems. But at its core, criminology has one main goal: to understand crime and find better ways to create a safer society. So the next time you hear the word criminology, remember this: it is not just the study of criminals. It is the study of human behavior, society, and the forces that shape the choices people make. And by understanding those forces, we move one step closer to understanding crime itself. Never forget to like and subscribe to EduCrim Lab for more educational videos.